If you're experiencing server timeout issues while playing The Sims 4, follow these steps to troubleshoot and potentially resolve the problem. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. You can do this by testing other devices or running a speed test. If your connection is weak, try restarting your router. Step 2. Restart The Sims 4. Close the game completely and restart it. Sometimes, simply restarting the game can resolve temporary server issues. Make sure to save your progress before doing this. Step 3. Update the game. Check for any available updates for The Sims 4. Game developers often release patches to fix bugs and improve server connectivity. Update the game through a gaming platform or launcher. Step 4. Disable firewall/antivirus. Temporarily disable your firewall or antivirus software to see if they are blocking the connection to the server. If this resolves the issue, consider adding The Sims 4 to the exceptions list in your security software. Step 5. Contact support. If the problem persists, reach out to EA support for assistance. They can provide specific troubleshooting steps and help resolve any ongoing server issues. By following these steps, you should be able to address the server timeout issue in The Sims 4. If problems continue, staying in touch with support can help ensure a smoother gaming experience.